What if your hardware wallet gets opened before it arrives? What if it gets manipulated before it even reaches your hand? A sticker, a seal, a signature on the box. None of it can really prove that someone touched your device on the way to you. Until now, you had to trust the root. With ClavaStack, we built a security protocol that nearly eliminates the risk. One photo to verify that nobody manipulated your Specter. Every Specter that leaves ClavaStack is sealed inside a tamper-evident bag, stamped with who assembled it, when, where, and which firmware it carries. On packaging day, we photograph the bag and its serial number. That photo gets hashed, and the hash is written directly into the Bitcoin blockchain. Permanent, immutable, verifiable by anyone forever. Your package arrives, scan the QR code. You take one photo. It reads the bag. It looks up the number in our registry. If we sealed it, you can see the original picture we took on packaging day. You can see the proof file that is tied to the hash. And you can verify that hash against the Bitcoin blockchain. Which means this exact bag existed on that exact day. It could not have been created after this timestamp. It could not have been swapped. It could not have been faked. Trust the source, not the root. ClavaStack, proof of packaging.